I have a legal right to do this.
Okay, but this is my home.
I'm not on your property. I'm not on your property.
So you heard everything that she said, right?
I did not.
Okay. She said that you were a Airbnb guest
That's correct.
and you were being disruptive after a certain time. You began being disruptive with the TV and waking her up and this and that, and there was something issue with letting cats out. Basically,
That would
what I
be
explained to her
okay.
was
Yes, sir.
this is a civil issue. I
Yes,
can't
sir.
get involved in this.
Yes, sir.
However, I can use my authority to try and come to some accord between you two. Whereas she says, okay, I'll give him his stuff back, but I want my key back.
Absolutely. Done.
Not a problem. But I'm not going to tell you your business, right? You're a grown-ass man.
Yes, sir.
She says you owe her about $400. I don't know that. I don't care. It doesn't matter.
So I have the documentation because
That's
it's a
fine.
civil issue.
Whatever
Understood.
it is. She's saying you owe her some money. She can take this to civil court, and she can sue you for whatever money that she feels you owe her, plus any court fees, any sort of mental anguish, and you're walking a thin ice there.
Understood.
So she could throw on all kinds of crap in civil
Right.
court. It's not like state,
Understood.
where this is the law. You broke that law. This is your punishment.
Right.
Period. Civil
It's a
law is
civil
way
ordinance.
different. She can say, well, I have mental anguish, and I was afraid for my life, and now I have psychological repercussions and,
Right.
shell shock and PTSD and all this and that. And I got
Which I suffer from.
She could throw all that on you,
Right.
and be like, I want recompense for all of this.
Right.
My best advice to you: shoot that woman a check for $400 or whatever she says you owe her, and be done with it.
$237.50 is what I can agree on, and that's also on camera.
I can't
right.
get involved.
Understood.
What I'm saying is, whatever the figure is that she says you owe, I'm not suggesting that you two try to hash this out, because clearly there's going to be no agreement other than what she wants, or her agreeing with what you want, and that's probably not going to happen. So,
Correct.
if you want to pay her that money and then take her to civil court and sue her for
The reverse.
exactly. Then do that. That's well within your right.
Yes, sir.
To do that. I got to be careful what I say, because I'm a representative of state laws, and this is
And
a
you're also
completely
a
a civil
sheriff.
issue.
Understood.
And if I give any legal advice one way or another, my ass could be on the line.
Yes, sir. Understood.
So I can't really say, you need to do this and you need to do this, and that's it.
Understood.
I'm not a lawyer. I'm not a judge. I'm not anything with the legal system other than representative of the state laws of Georgia. That's it.
Peace ordinance officer. Yes,
So I'm going to wait for her. She said she was going to get your stuff, but she was going to stay inside because she was apprehensive about having contact with you anymore.
sir. Correct. She was
she's gonna
extremely
bring your
apprehensive
stuff.
to me.
I'm going to get her, your stuff from her, and then I'm going to give her this key. This is
Absolutely.
the only key you got?
Yes, sir. That's the only key.
I will give her this, and I will bring your stuff back.
All right. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You have your ID on you?
I do. She actually has my passport in my bag.
I just need to actually name it. You have a driver's license?
I do.
Okay, that's good. Name and date of birth, and I'm just going to add you to the call, say I had contact.
Understood. I'm gonna see if I have one from the next door neighbor. I'm trying to get to the nearest train station or bus station.
I can probably take you to the bus station at. What the hell the name of that mall is?
Stonecrest.
Yeah, Stonecrest.
That's fine.
All right, let me get your last name.
Berry, Berry.
And your first name?
Alfonso, Alfonzo.
And your date of birth.
October 5th, 1993.
All right.
Thank you. Do you mind if I go ahead and pack this up? All right, I'm going to end this video just so, now that we're getting in the vehicle and I have my things.
I'm going to have you place that in the back.
Yes, sir.